Hey everyone, welcome back to HelloVSTV. Today we are diving into a game changer for multitaskers and tech enthusiasts, the KYY X90D laptop screen extender. If you are tired of constantly switching between tabs or struggling with limited screen space, this portable triple monitor solution could be your next productivity booster. Let's break it down. The KYY X90D keeps things simple. Thanks to its one cable connection, you can eliminate the clutter of multiple wires. Just make sure your laptop has a Type-C or USB-A port with video output, and you are ready to go. No complicated steps, just plug and play. The monitor also features a premium metal texture, giving it a stylish and durable finish that stands out in both looks and functionality. At 15.6 inches, this monitor extender offers a large immersive viewing experience. The slim bezels and the 96% screen-to-body ratio maximize your workspace, perfect for professionals or creatives. Whether you are editing, coding, or watching movies, the 1080p Full HD IPS screen delivers sharp details and vibrant colors with a 178-degree wide viewing angle. KYY has also stepped up the build quality with a sleek CNC aluminum alloy frame. It's not just stylish, it's durable. The sturdy design is built to handle everyday wear and tear while staying lightweight and portable, perfect for on-the-go professionals. Another standout feature is the versatility. The screens rotate 360 degrees and the adjustable kickstand ensures stability during use. Whether you are in a conference, giving a presentation, or simply working at a coffee shop, this setup adapts to your needs. So if you are a multitasker looking for a reliable, portable and high-quality monitor extender, this one is a great choice. Just double-check your laptop's port capability. This is all for today. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below.